Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage clearance assistance. In the beginning, let's go to game settings. Find gameplay and scroll down. Go to clearance assistance. Here you can switch between classic and directional. Classic clearances are both fully assisted. Neither takes into consideration the player's directional input. In clearance direction considers your directional input. Power remains fully assisted and the earliest possible contact point will be selected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.